What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, the kind people over at PITAKA, they were kind enough to send me out their case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the Sunset variant, and they also sent me over their MagSafe ring for the device. So we're just going to unbox this, and I'm going to let you see what it looks like on the device and give my thoughts about the case and how I feel about it. And this is a part of their Black Friday sale, so I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this up for yourself. So now we're just going to unbox this case like so, and you're greeted with the nice lovely case. It has that woven design. It looks good. It feels good in the hand. This is a very thin, minimal looking case. These kind of cases are for people that don't like to have anything on their phone almost, but they still want a little bit of protection. So I'm going to put it on my iPhone 16 Pro Max just like so. And this is that look and feel that you are going to get with this kind of case. So just be careful because your edges are left out. As you can see there, you're not going to get protection on the edges, but you will get protection on the back. But overall, this does look and feel nice in the hand. PITAKA does make some nice, thin-looking, minimal, sleek design-looking cases. Everything works the way it should. That's your power button. You get access to your camera control button. It works just fine, nice and clicky. As you can see, no problem. Then you also get the USB-C charging cable, no problem there. It's left out in the open, but that's okay. So if you drop your phone flat down on the table, just be careful. Then you also get less bezel around the phone because it is a thin case. And on the back it says PITAKA. Over on the side you do get access to your alert slider, volume up and down button, which are nice and clicky, no problem. Like I said, you do not get a lip, so be careful when placing your phone flat down on the table. Just make sure you have a screen protector like I do. And you don't get any lip around the edges. Once again, this is just a thin, minimal looking and feeling case, but you do get a nice cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, there would be no worry there. But overall, this does look good. It says PITAKA. Now we're going to just take it over to the MagSafe ring, and I'm pretty much sure this is going to match the case. I like how PITAKA throws a little color into their MagSafe rings. And here you are greeted with the ring. It says Sunset, so that's the little color and vibe that they are going with. It's a nice magnet MagSafe ring, so we're going to throw it on the back like so. Overall, that is a nice look. That goes good. You could set it down or use it in this kind of view for watching videos and whatsoever you want to do. Overall, it does look nice. It feels nice. It's nice quality. It says PITAKA. It also allows wireless charging, so I'm going to pick up my wireless charging bank, and I will show you that you can use a wireless charging bank, MagSafe wireless charging bank with this case. You can also use a regular wireless charging. If you do not have a MagSafe wireless charger, you can use just a regular wireless charger. But let me get my MagSafe charging. There you go. It's dead right now, but I think, there you go. So sorry, it is not dead, but there you go. That's what it's going to look like when charging. Overall, I do like the look and the feel of this case. I don't know how well I'll be rocking it though, because it's very thin. I like a little case with a little bit more protection, but overall this is nice. I will make sure I drop a link in the description.